Now, if you're solving things with a variable in the denominator and you had, for example, 5 over x take 4 equals 1, you'd times both sides by x plus 4, wouldn't you? Oh, x minus 4. Which would give you 5 equals 1 times x take 4. So what was on the bottom here would go to the side. The problem with that with inequalities is you don't know whether x take 4 is positive or negative. So you don't know whether you're going to have to change the sign or not, like switch it around. So instead of timesing by x plus 4, or x take 4, instead of timesing by the denominator, we adopt this kind of mathsy trick. You square the denominator. So you multiply by the square of the denominator. It seems weird, but have a look at how it works. So if I've got 5 over x take 4 is greater than or equal to 1, I'm going to times both sides by x take 4 squared. Actually, it's going to be easier if I write that. And that's over 1, yeah? Because then this cancels out, it cancels out with one of these. So I get 5 times x take 4 is greater than or equal to, well, 1 times x take 4 squared. Now I'm going to expand both sides. So I've got 5x take 20 is greater than or equal to, well, do I need to like times that by 1? No, it's x squared take 8x plus 16. And now I can start adding and subtracting, because adding and subtracting, it's not multiplying or dividing, you're not having to change the sign if it's negative. Now I can just start doing that. So we're going to subtract 5x plus 20, subtract 5x plus 20, and we're going to end up with 0 is greater than or equal to x squared take 13x plus 36. Another way to write that is x squared take 13x plus 36 is less than or equal to 0. Just because I like having my x's on the left. To the left, to the left. Okay. What times is to give 36 and adds to give, so we're going to factorize. So times to get positive 36, add to get negative 13, negative 9, and negative 4. So we've got x take 9, x take 4 is less than or equal to 0. So if I were to sketch, I know it's going to be concave up because the number in front of x squared is positive. It goes through at 9 and 4, so it's going to go through here. So that's less than 0 down here, so it's between 4 and 9. So 5 on x take 4 is greater than or equal to 1 when 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. Or you could have written 9 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 4, but I tend to prefer it the other way. So that actually wasn't too bad, but timesing it by the square of the bottom is the trick you've got to remember, because it's just very different to how we normally would have done it if that was just a normal equals, yeah?